picture. Hey everybody, this morning we are at Santee. We're getting ready to go out fishing, and I got Rafi on the back. I got Dwayne with us, Stacy and Danny out front. And we are headed out, see if we can't catch some catfish. Dwayne has been on them all week, so we're hoping it's going to be another day. It's 33 this morning, so we're hoping to have a good day out here picking up these winter catfish on Santee. First fish of the day on. We just started putting out baits. We hadn't even got all the baits out. Stacy's on one. You getting close? Yep. Oh, that's a nice one. Comes a loon checking it out. All right, there's Stacy with first fish of the day. Danny's on his first fish of the morning.
Now you get it up out there and get it in here. Watch yourself if you're not going inside the water. Yeah, I'm trying not to.
I think we're gonna need the net.
Got it. Turn it off.
Well, there comes a little bit of sun, but yeah, it's a cool morning, 33 degrees out here. The wind's blowing. This will be the second fish already in about 10 minutes. Yeah. That's on the stingbait?
Chicken.
Okay. Christmas chicken. There you go. Looks good.
20 pounds. Anything you wanted to be.
Wait on it. He's gonna come back. Yeah, we might be walking. Yeah, we're walking. Rafi's on his first fish of the morning. Yeah, the water's so cold, they're just easing up on them. What you got there, Rafi? He's gonna tighten the drag a little bit. Man, there you go, Rafi. Just grab the hook right there closest to the curve and then just turn it back. Grab it again closer down to the bottom. Right there. Now twist it back and push down toward me and it should come out. There you go. Nice.
Look, it don't look like a bar of soap.
Rafi's gonna get him. There you go. Just put your thumb in his mouth. It ain't gonna hurt too much. That's a nice fish. That bigger than the one you caught last year?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
Hell yeah.
Hey man, what you doing?
Well, I haven't seen any pictures yet. What's the problem?
I just sent you one. We got 3 in the box. Stacy's about to set a hook on another one, I think. All right, I sent you a picture. Yep, yep.
Picked it up and brought it to the boat.
Well, cool beans. Yeah, okay. Well, that sounds good. Yeah, we can take it over there. All right, holler at you in a while. Thanks, Andy. Bye-bye. There you go. That one was just picking at it, wasn't he?
He just got picked up and brought it to the...
Get it, man.
Get a few more of them picked up here. Wind real hard, Rafi. Wind, wind, wind. Keep winding. You got him hooked, hadn't you? Yeah, all right. You can pull him out now if you want to.
I have to steer him out of the anchor rope down there.
Wait a minute, try and get him to go that way. Peeling line.
Loose there, we'll find him.
Oh yeah, you can just pull him in probably. Keep on coming. Get him out of that anchor rope. Reel him up, reel him up. There you go, he's in. All right.
I better work on that reel.
Something's come loose, sounds like.
Yeah, all the funky.
Look at me. Look. 3, 2, 1.
Stacy's ugly sticking another one. If you love fishing, please subscribe. Chicken? The corner one?
Yeah. Yeah.
He might come back and pick it up. That's another good one. There you go. Get him on up out of that anchor rope. Uh-oh. Three. Cut it some slack. It's over this knob.
He's coming out. Yeah. They fucking have cut it.
You gotta poke that back in for the pictures. So this is a new rig we're trying out here on Santee. This is a Dragon Master bristle brush that helps walk over stumps. So we're gonna see how that works out here at the stump land of Santee. Well, it's getting a little nicer out here on Santee. We caught about a dozen good cats already, and it's warming up a little. Starting out at about 30 degrees this morning, and it's starting to try and warm up, and the sun came out. So you can see the cypress trees back there in the background turning brown. Stacy's on another fish off the back here. Let's see what he's got.
Little lane shark.
Good little blue coming in. Rafi and Danny are waiting on the next rod to bend. Dwayne's cutting up some fresh shad there for the bait. He's leaving. There he is. Pull up on your rod. There you go. Dwayne's got him.
He did, didn't he?
Oh yeah.
Oh, got each other's line.
Stacy, what you doing fishing up here in the front? Look, Stacy's fishing up here in the front. Line's tight. Let's see if he goes with it. About the time I turn this camera off, he'll grab it. Running. He's going to town. Yep, he's on there. Get him, Danny. You got him. There he is. Nice.
Broke loose.
He come off?
Yeah.
You sure he ain't running toward us?
Pretty sure.
No, I think he came off. I think you're right. Oh, looks like good fish. There it comes. Looks like good fish. There you go. Nice. If you love fishing, please subscribe.